Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos. Today, we are going to make a video for our young learners. So, today we are going to discuss a concept of decimals. Okay. So now, students, you have learned division in the previous videos which I have made. If you have not watched those videos, the description has the links of those videos. You should watch those videos. Now, let us say I want to divide 1 by 10. Okay. So just look here. If I am dividing 1 by 10, so this is what I will do. Now 1 is smaller than 10. So 10 zeros are 0. Then 1 comes and then we put a decimal. So when we put a decimal, we can put as many zeros as we want. Now you bring down this and now this becomes 10 and 10 times 1 is 10. So 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1. Okay. Now let us do one more question. Let us say I want to divide 13 by 10. Okay. So 10 ones are 10, 3 remainder. See, if we want to write this as a fraction, so 13 by 10 would be written as 1, which is quotient, then 3, which is remainder, by divisor. So 1 3 by 10. But now we want to write as decimal. So now what will we do? We will put a decimal here and put a 0 and bring that 0 down. Then we put a decimal here. Why? Because we are now taking a digit after the decimal. So this will become 10 threes are 30. So 13 by 10 can also be written as 1.3. Okay. Now let us do a question where we will divide it by 100 and then we will learn a trick. We don't need to do the division. So now let us say I want to divide 1 by 100. So it is a fraction. So let us do this. So you put 1 here and you put 100 here. So now 1 is smaller than 100. So we will put a 0 and we get 1 again. Then we see that we need, some zeros. So put decimal here. So put a 0. So this now again 10 is smaller than 100. So now there will be a 0 up. Why? Because 100 times 0 is 0. So we get 10 again. Then we can put one more 0 after the decimal. And now this is 100 times 1 is 100. And now 1 by 100 can be written as 0.01. Okay, students. Now let us try solving 514 divided by 100. Okay, 514 divided by 100. We want to write it as a decimal. So see, 100 times 5 is 500. So we can just do this. So we will get 4 and 1. Now, if if we want to write this as a fraction, what will we write then? Yeah, we will write this as, so let us write this down, 514 by 100. As a fraction, it would be written as 514 over 100. Okay. But now we want decimal. So what should we do? Put a decimal here, put a decimal here, put a 0 here. So when you put a 0 here, this 0 will come down. Now 100 times 1 is 100. Then we get 40 here. Now we will put another 0 because after decimal we can keep on putting as many zeros as possible. Okay, as required. So now 100 times 4 is a 400. So what are we finding? That 514 upon 100 as a decimal can be written as 5.14. Okay, so this is very, very important for you to understand. Now I will give you a simple trick, okay? That rather than, solving and dividing, we can quickly do this just by following a trick. So let us do the trick. So see, we have to divide 1 by 10. You just count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there in 10? 1 zero. So this is called numerator, write the numerator as it is. And then what we will do, we will put as many digits after decimal as are the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 1 zero. And we wrote 1. So after decimal, there should be one digit. So the answer is zero point 0.1 and we can put a 0 like this. Now let us say I want to do 13 by 10. So write 13 as it is, that's the numerator. And then how many zeros? 1. So how many digits after decimal? So 1. So you start counting from unit digit 1 and put this. So 13 by 10 is 1.3. Okay. Now let us do this 517 by 10. So write 517 as it is and count one digit from unit digit. So you will write 517 by 10 as 51.7. Okay, students. Now what I want is you tell me the answer for 2 by 10. So what you do, I am just writing this. You pause the video and write the answer. Then we will discuss. Okay. And then I am writing. Okay. So pause the video and do the sum and then restart the video. Advice to parents or elders who are watching the video along with the kids. Please pause the video, let the kids solve it, and then restart the video to see whether they got it correct or they need some more practice. Okay. Now, students, 2 by 10. So, what will we do? We write 2 as it is. How many digits after decimal? 1. So, the answer is zero point 0.2 and we put 0.2. Okay. Now 35 will be written as same. There is 1 0 start from unit digit and a put decimal here. So this will become 3.5. Similarly, 712 written as it is and start from unit digit and put a decimal. So answer is 71.2. Okay. Now kids, let us do division by 100 and follow the same rules. So let us say we want to divide 1 by 100. So now you can write 1 in the numerator as it is, but there are two zeros. So you start counting from here 1, 2, but there is nothing in after 1. So we put a 0 here and then put a decimal. Okay, you understood what is happening? I am dividing 1 by 100. So I should have two digits after decimal. So 1 is already there and we count to 2, nothing is there, put a 0. So the answer is 0.01. Let us do one more, 3 by 100. So you write 3 as it is, that is one digit. I need two digits after decimal. So put a 0 in front of 3 and then put a decimal. And the answer is 0.03. Okay, let us do 23 by 100. So write 23 as it is. Start counting from unit digit 1, 2 and decimal. So 0.23 is the answer. Okay. This 1, 2 which I am writing, you can do in your mind. Okay. I'm just doing it so that you understand the logic. Now let us do 317 by 100. So write 317 as it is. Start counting. See how many zeros? 2. So two digits should be there after decimal. So count 1, 2, put a decimal here. So 3.17. Okay, kids. Now I want you to solve some questions and then check whether you got it right or wrong. So divide 5 by 100, write in decimal form. Then divide 17 by 100, write in decimal form, and then divide 453 by 100 and write the answer in decimal form. Okay, kids, pause the video and do it yourself. Once you are done, come back and check your answers. So kids, 5 by 100 should be what? You put 5, that is only one digit. How many digits we need after decimal? 2. So put a 0 in front. So this becomes 0.05 and we can write 0 in front of the decimal. Then we write 17, count 1, 2 and 0.17. So 0.17. Then write 453, count 1, 2 and 4.53 is the answer. Okay, kids. So this is how we do division by 10 and 100. Let us quickly do division by 1000 also. So let us do this. 1 upon 1000. How many zeros? 3. So how many digits after decimal? 3. What is there in the numerator? One digit. So put two zeros in front to make three digits after decimal. So the answer is 0.001. Okay, let us do 5 by 1000 and write in decimal form. So write 5 as it is and we need three digits after decimal. So one zero here, one zero here. So the answer is 0.005. We can write 0.005. Now let us divide 37 by 1000. So see 37 as it is, but we need three digits after decimal. So 1, 2, third nothing. So we put a 0. So 0.037. So 0.037 is the answer. Now let us do 123 divided by 1000. So you write 123 as it is, count 1, 2, 3, put a decimal. Why? Because there are three digits in three zeros in the thousand, so we have to have three digits after decimal. Now let us say we have 4175 divided by 1000. So 4175, start counting from unit digit 1, 2, 3, put a decimal. So the answer is 4.175. Okay, kids. So this is how we do division by 1000 and that's the easiest trick. Okay, now I'm giving you some questions. You solve it. So write the answer in decimal form for 3 by 1000, then 23 by 1000. Okay, then let us write 175 by 1000 and let us write one more which is 2134 by 1000. Again, pause the video, write the answers. Let us see how many of you get it right. So kids, for the first one, there is only one digit 3. So we need how many digits after decimal? 3. So this is 1, then 2, then 3. So 0.003 or 0.003. Similarly, here numerator write as it is. How many digits there? 1, 2, but we need 3. So put a 0 in front. So 0.023. Okay. Now 175 by 1000, write 175, count 1, 2, 3, put a decimal. So 0.175. Here also write the numerator 2, 1, 3, 4. Start from unit digit 1, 2, 3. 2.134 is the answer. Okay, kids. So if you are watching the video for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. If you haven't watched the videos which we have already made, the link is given in the description. Go through those videos. Okay, happy learning. Do like the videos and share with your friends and in your parent network. Thank you.